children! Today we are going to learn colors. Look carefully, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Red, the apple is red. Red, the tomato is red. Red, the fire truck is red. Blue, the sky is blue. Blue, the sea is blue. Blue, the fish is blue. Colors, colors, look around you. Colors, colors, learn them with me. Green, the leaf is green. Green, the grass is green. Green, the cucumber is green. Yellow, the banana is yellow. Yellow, the lemon is yellow. Yellow, the sunflower is yellow. Colors, colors, look around you. Colors, colors, learn them with me. Orange, the orange is orange. Orange, the carrot is orange. Orange, the pumpkin is orange. Purple, the grape is purple. Purple, the flower is purple. Purple, the butterfly is purple. Colors, colors, look around you. Colors, colors, learn them with me. Black, the cat is black. Black, the crow is black. Black, the night is black. White, the snow is white. White, the milk is white. White, the sheep is white. Colors, colors, look around you. Colors, colors, learn them with me. Brown, the bear is brown. Brown, the chestnut is brown. Brown, the chocolate is brown. Pink, the rose is pink. Pink, the pig is pink. Pink, the candy is pink. Great job, children! You have learned the colors. See you soon for another song. Hello, children! Today we are going to discover more colors. Listen carefully, look carefully, and repeat after me. The cloud is gray. The elephant is gray. The stone is gray. Colors, colors, look around you. Colors, colors, learn them with me. The sea is turquoise. The fish is turquoise. The gemstone is turquoise. The crown is golden. The sun is golden. The coin is golden. Colors, colors, look around you. Colors, colors, learn them children! You have learned new colors. See you soon for another song.